Oh, not much. She's just not being very cooperative at all. You're going to die, you duffer. Look at her little kissy. They're so cool, these packies. They really are. They're such awesome animals. I don't know what's wrong. She's just knackered. You're out of here, buddy. We'll sell you to the butcher. Little girl, day 3, she is not doing too well at all. I'm trying to feed her. I'm going to get her up and get her into out of the sun, get her in the shade and try and feed her some more. And she's just not doing very well at all. Anyway, we'll see how we go, try and get her some food. Mummy's not very happy. It's okay, Mum. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Let's try. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. And she's drinking a bit. Come on. Come on, girl. You just got to swallow some, girl. Hey, Mama. It's hard to tell how much she's actually swallowing. Oh, not much. She's just not being very cooperative at all. You're going to die, you duffer. You're going to die. Come on. That's the girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. She's not swallowing. Oh, there's a swallow. Swallow. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, I've got to try this time, I've got to get it all. Got to swallow. Come on, swallow it. Swallow it, come on girl. Come on. Get there, girl. See how that goes. Look how wobbly she is. Poor thing. Hey, little wobbles. So she's trying to find the teat, but she just can't find it. I hope she does. She's got to get in there and get it. We'll get her there eventually, hopefully. We just chill. She's trying, she just can't find it. Keep trying, little girl. Keep trying. She just can't get it. It's just there. You're on it, you duffer. Come on. No. No luck. So I just let the horses and donkeys and everything out to have a bit of a munch. I've got everything back in except for old mate Jet and Darcy here, the two donkeys. The two scallywag donkeys. I've got a tree there, mate. I'm going to try and push them back. No, don't go that way, go that way. That's it. You get back in there, you two. You two scallywags. You need to go back. Quick. Come on. You get going that way, buddy. Try and get them going. Oh, this is just fun and games. It's not going to work, but anyway, I've got to give it a go. Got to try something through this bush. Oh, copping it in the head. I'll go straight up the hill here, you watch. I can try and get round them and push them in. Oh, got him. Got him. Yeah. Oh, it is, yeah, sorry. Sorry team, they all want to get back out again, but no, I might let you be out another day. That's enough for today. Oh, another little project I'm working on. Mr. Spa. Look at that nice view. Spa, I'm just going to put a 150 board around the edge here. This is all hand-milled stringy bark. I put it through a thicknesser and I've sanded it back, just getting the shape. And then we're going to go out there and have a 900 wide deck out the front out there. Be quite nice. 900 wide deck is to just have a little bit of spot to put towels, and you can lay down if you want to, maybe put a chair and sit there, and put all the filter and everything underneath it all. So it actually comes to, where's it come to? Here. There. I do believe is the end. Yeah, it is, because there's the boards all measured out. We've got a 25mm overhang there for the board for the corrugated iron to go underneath it. So yeah, chop it off there, run a beam across there, another one in here, and a few bits and pieces inside. I'll hold it all up and we'll be good to go. You beauty. And we'll sit in there and have this nice view out there to look at. Hey mama. So our little girl's still alive, which is good, but she's not walking, especially with me being this close, so she's still pretty weak. I'm not sure if she's feeding off mum yet. Looked like it was yesterday, but I'm going to feed her a little bit here. Just got a little Coke bottle that I've got a little lamb feeder on the top of. We usually use a bigger one, like a litre bottle. For the cows, we've got a 2-litre bottle. So this is Divetalact, which is a good general all-round milk substitute for lammies and calves and all sorts of animals. It does everything. It does rabbits and goats, but you don't want to feed them too much of this stuff, because this is $250 for 5 kilos. It's very expensive, but if it keeps them alive, it's worth it, I guess. I just had to give her another feed. She's so tiny. Look how skinny she is. And the other girls are coming over to make sure she's all right. S2. And Mama, listen to all the noises from Mama. Hey, Mummy. And our little girlie. Oh, poor little thing. Just got to keep feeding her. I hope she stays alive. If I can keep feeding her, I've got to get... She's only been having maybe 200ml, and she really needs about 600ml or so. And she's walking. Hey, Mum. Hey, little girl. Another little girl born this morning. Yay! And she's all nice and healthy. Mum's having a bit of a roll around up there. What's going on? Age 25 was that one. Look at her little kissy. They're so cool, these packies. They really are. They're such awesome animals. I really wish there was money in their fleece, but unfortunately there isn't, because it's beautiful wool. Well, it's not wool. I don't know, is it wool? I mean, sheep have got wool. Is alpaca wool, or is it just sheep's wool? Or is this alpaca fleece? Anyway, she's good, and we've got another little girl over here, which was born about a week or so ago, and she's quite healthy. She's good. She's as happy as Larry, so that's good. She was actually born last Thursday, so what day is it? Yeah, she's a week ago. It's Friday today. Alright, cool. Things aren't looking terribly too good at all. The poor little thing. Hey mama, I know. Gonna try and feed her some more. I don't know what's wrong. She's just knackered. Poor little girl. I'm gonna keep going. I mean, this is day 4. I'm gonna get some strength in her. I've fed her twice today. She's feeding, but she's just got no strength. I think the heat might be taking it out of her. Keep trying to put her in the shade, but Mama goes for a walk and she follows her. You need to leave her in the shade, Mama. Anyway, I'll try giving her a feed and see what happens. Well, we're at day 5 and she's still alive. Just. She's not really walking around much. I just fed her. So that's why she's up and about, and the other girls are all very concerned, aren't you girls, eh? You looking after the little girl? Helping Mama? Except Mummy's not feeding, are you? Which is a bit of a bugger. Anyway, we'll leave them alone and we'll give her another feed in maybe 3 hours, see how she goes. Yeah, what's going on with her, hey? You're her auntie, aren't you? Auntie, which one are you? S3, I can't remember your name. Hello cows, hello calves. How come there seems to be not quite as many of you in there as what there should be? We're missing one. What do you think? Who's missing? Come on, fess up. Oh, Tammy. Tammy? No? Oreo, you've got a bit to say. Who's gone missing? I know who it is. You're right. It's Vincent. Vincent the bull. On the wrong side of the fence. How did you get up there, buddy? That's the second time in the last 3 days he's got out. He didn't get out in this spot the other day, he got out over the other side. I think that he's decided that he wants to get some green grass because this fence isn't very good. Yeah, we'll go and get him. I know. Oreo, we'll go and get him. He's a naughty, naughty, naughty boy, isn't he? Let's go and get him. Now, Vincent. What are you doing on the wrong side of the fence? Oh yeah, I can see what you're doing. You're eating that nice big green grass. If you eat all that, mate, you are going to get bloat and end up upside down with your feet in the air. That's way too much. Now, listen here, buddy. You know you're not supposed to be here. Oh, you're going to walk away from me now, are you? Ignore me. Well, you watch and see what happens, big fella. You are in trouble. Oh yeah, just mow down the tree, why don't you, mate? Yeah, just push over the tree. Well, this is going to be fun. Look at him just mowing down the trees as he goes. I hope he doesn't charge me, you rotten sod. Come on, buddy, let's get you back down there. You're going to have to... No, we're not going up that way. We're going down. I'll just mosey you along and get you back in, I think. Oh, big boy. If he charged me, I'd be in trouble. That's for sure. Well, we'll slowly push him down here. Now, I know. He's been out for quite a while because I've just noticed there's cow shit everywhere. He's been out having a great old time, haven't you, buddy? Eh? Yes. I think I might have to put you on detention. Uh-oh. 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 Don't you dare Don't you dare charge me, buddy boy. Don't you dare charge me, Mr. Vincent. Well, if you keep jumping fences, which is it you think you're doing, you're gone. You're out, mate. You're out of here, buddy. We'll sell you to the butcher. Because apparently I have heard that the old Galloway is very nice eating. Anyway, he's going to where he needs to go. We'll get him there. Just push him along slowly. Rotten sod. So let's get him up along this fence. If I can keep him along the fence, he's going to go through this gate quite nicely. So I might just move him along a little bit quicker. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Come on. He's going round. I'm going to get back around again. Hey, 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 hey. Let's get him up here. Come on. Come on. In you go, through the gate. Through the gate, mate. Through the gate, buddy. Nice and simple. Ooh. There he goes. Yay, easy. Well, it appears as though we are fighting a losing battle here at the moment. This poor little girl, it's day 6 and she is just not travelling very well at all. She is asleep at the moment. She's breathing quite heavily. Pretty fast though, unfortunately, you can see it. There. She's having a snooze, so we'll let her have a snooze for a little while. Then try feeding her again. We'll go and have a look at the other ones. You can see the difference in size and health. There's definitely something wrong with this poor little girl. And one of her aunties is coming over to say hello and see how she's going. They're all very concerned about her as well. Oh, poor mama. I know. So here we have 2 of our other little cria. So the girl on the right is 10 days old, and the little one on the left, I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, is 3 days old. So you can see a substantial difference in a 3-day-old one there, and our poor little sick girl on the other side there is 6 days old. She's tinier than the 3-day-old one. There's something wrong with her. And look how active they are. Yes, look at you, girl. Where's mama? K3's your mum. And H25's your mum. Anyway, another beautiful day. Beautiful day, and all the girls up here. Why aren't you girls dropping your babies? I can see you're going to have one. Look at you. Look at the stomach on you. My goodness. You're going to drop pretty soon. Well, I've just come over to give her her afternoon feed. And she's standing up. Heartbeat's going pretty frantic. But she's standing up. That's a good sign. She got up by herself. Don't know. She's still tiny weeny. Nearly a week old, 6 days. My goodness, little thing. What a precious little girl you are. We'll keep you going for as long as we can. Well, I've come over day 7 and she didn't make it. We tried, but she didn't make it. What a bummer. I wonder what was wrong, Mama. We tried, Mum. We tried. We tried, Mama.